Paradigm. Today our daily briefing surrounds the theme of understanding how paradigms play a major role in a sexual assault investigation and when performing forensic interviews. Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines paradigm as a model or pattern for something that may be copied, a theory or a group of ideas about how something should be done, made, or thought about. An outstanding, clear, or typical example or archetype. An example of conjugation and declension showing a word in all its inflectual forms. A physiological and theoretical framework of a scientific school or discipline within which theories, laws, and generalizations and the experiments performed in support of them are formulated. The investigative insight today is from Richard Brody from his book, The Virus of the Mind, and he states, "A paradigm shift is occurring in the field of sexual assault investigations. This statement is complex and needs to be understood by law enforcement investigators. A paradigm shift is when a basic, underlying assumptions about investigations begin to change, such as understanding why crime scenes of a child's sexual assault needs to be processed for physical, biological, and trace evidence, and understanding the value of such evidence in the overall picture of the investigation." The investigative perspective is as follows. You rarely hear a law enforcement investigator talk about the value or meaning of a paradigm in a sexual assault investigation. The word, although simple to apply once you learn the usefulness of it, but can be as complex as it is simple. When I was a law enforcement investigator investigating sexual assault investigations, I expended a significant amount of time outlining a positive model and pattern which would assist me in the sexual assault investigation. If you had a chance to watch my video on investigative case action plan, there are many similarities with utilizing a paradigm. At the beginning of the sexual assault investigation, a simple paradigm is useful as it outlines who the players are involved in the sexual assault allegation. Determining how each person plays a role in the investigation is key to supporting the initial paradigm to the middle and final paradigms. At the conclusion of the investigation, the final paradigm should provide you, the investigator, with a positive and successful conclusion which will help you determine if a crime did or did not occur. Most investigators whom I know don't take the time to separate the parties and what they have to offer, i.e. their testimony. To solidify any investigation, the investigator needs to take investigative steps which are intellectual and competent. Using a paradigm would be considered a step in the right direction. Take a chance and begin the journey with us at the ODC Webinar Lab, where creativity, innovation, new paradigms are constructed on a daily basis, and where you will say, "I knew that, but I didn't know how to connect the dots." As I close, take the time to do the right investigative steps the first time and take care of those in your community who rely upon you to do your best at all times. If you haven't already signed up for one of our sexual assault investigation and interviewing webinars, go to our website at www.onedaly, and that's ONEDALY.com/webinar and sign up today. Don't miss out on our New Year 10-hour webinar special. For information about this special, go to http://www.onedaly.com/law enforcement special/ and begin educating and training your specialized unit today. For you who work in the field of specialized investigations, please take the time to check out our 50+ webinars. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.